Alright, so what you do is just go to the Jellyfin website to download the software. So once you go to this website, you just click download now. Once you click download now, you can just click on downloads. Once you go here, just go to AMD 64 if you have Intel and AMD processors. So just basically go here. And once you go here, just basically download the exe, save. I already saved it, so, but basically save it to your desktop or anywhere you want, it doesn't matter. But basically once you got it downloaded, just click on the exe. Once you click on the exe, just keep clicking. Like you don't have to read any of it. You can just keep clicking. It's fine. So just keep clicking, it doesn't matter. Just keep going until you click install. And then once you click install, then this is going to happen. And once it's installed, all you have to do is just basically close it and then just open your Jellyfin server. So open. Okay, opened. Now we got our Jellyfin running. All we have to do now is go to the, tray, basically the whatever it's called. Just go on the sign right here and then right click it and then click on start if it didn't start, but just click on start if it didn't. And then once you got it running, just click on open Jellyfin. And see, this is where we are. So we can just pick our name, our server name, basically. So it'll be like server. All right, we got the name now. And then we're gonna name ourselves Apple, And then the password is gonna be 123 123, just so people can get on faster and easier. And then so we can just click OK. Now once we click OK, you click on Add Media Library. Once you click that, you click on Content Type, the content you're trying to post on this folder, basically. So basically, in this folder, you're gonna make it into a movies. You're making movies. Okay. So you're gonna make some movies today, and then once you go to your movies, you can display the name of that folder, basically, that we're accessing. We can name it stuff. It doesn't matter. But basically, you just name it for what it's showing when you go to the website, basically. So so after you got the display name, all you have to do now is click where it says folders, and this is basically the folder that you're going to be using to put your movies at, basically, and stuff like that. So pretty much just paste or anything that you want. So paste your location. Once you got your location, just click on OK. Alright, so once you got your location, all you have to do now is just click on next. And click on next. And it's okay if you enable this, honestly, because by default it's local. So it's fine to enable this. So you can just click OK. It don't matter. And then we're done. That's pretty much all you have to do. So my name would be Apple. 123. See? And now once you're logged in, basically, then now you can just, play any videos that were found in this folder, movies, shows, anything you want. And if you want to make it so people can go to it from their phone, tablet, and everything from your router, like if someone's connected to your router, your Wi-Fi, and you want someone to watch a movie with you from their phone or tablet, well, you can do that basically from going to your command prompt. So what you type is basically ipconfig, and this is basically what you need is the LAN address, basically. So basically from the other side, like let's say like on your phone or whatever, if you want someone to go to your link from your phone, basically what you need is the LAN address, which is, for an example, this. So if I type this in, the URL from like, you know, phone, tablet, whatever you want. And once you do that, you got to make sure you also put the port number, basically, that they can connect to, and then boom, that's it. It's over. Now you just log in and then have fun. Just watch whatever you want, and that's basically how you can set it up. And if you want to make it available on your Vultr machine, like you want to run it on your Vultr machine, well, just make sure that you're using bridged connections, and then it'll work. So as long as you're using bridged, then it'll work with a Vultr machine. Like if you're running this on a Vultr machine, it'll work the same way. So that's all you got to do. Thank you for watching. See you.